Hello guys, welcome to my channel Talk to Feet. Now let's get into the video. Always use 16:9 if it's for YouTube. Select your video. Okay, so I sacrificed 6 trophies to get this clip, so you better like and subscribe if you haven't already. Split the video to make it easier. Now select the 3 dots on the left side and select duplicate as layer. Now click on the key symbol. Now you have to add this positive sign and then move your layer the direction in which you want to have it shaped. I would recommend in all 4 directions. It should look like this. Now let's review it. If you spend more time on it would look more nice. I made this just to explain it, so I didn't spend much time. Now if you want to add more detail you could download motion blur from Kinemaster shop and use it. It should look like this. Please like and subscribe Don't forget to move your layer, that's an important part. Move it the way you like.